Welcome to your guide for thriving in the digital economy of 2026. The landscape of online income is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is key to success. In this video, we'll explore the most promising avenues for making money online in 2026. First up, sophisticated e-commerce. Beyond traditional online stores, 2026 is about creating unique brand experiences. Think international dropshipping powered by AI, allowing you to manage a global store from anywhere. The secret is to test winning products, analyze your metrics, and invest in fast-converting ads. Next, affiliate marketing has evolved. It's no longer just about sharing links. It's about creating authentic experiences and integrating products seamlessly into your content. Build a community that trusts your recommendations, and the commissions will follow. Content creation remains a powerhouse. Whether it's a YouTube channel, a TikTok profile, or a personal blog, the key is choosing a niche with audience potential like finance, lifestyle, tech, or humor and delivering high-quality, valuable content consistently. Monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, and selling your own digital products. The gig economy is booming with microservices. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to sell specialized skills, from writing and video editing to programming and virtual assistants. In 2026, the demand for specialized remote talent will be higher than ever. A new frontier is the AI and automation sector. Businesses are paying top dollar for experts who can build and manage AI-driven solutions. If you have skills in AI development or process automation, you can create services that offer immense value and generate significant income. Finally, don't overlook the emerging worlds of virtual and augmented reality. As these technologies become more mainstream, there's a growing need for developers who can create immersive experiences for education, entertainment, and training. The secret to success in 2026 is combining knowledge with action. Pick a field that excites you, specialize in it, and commit to delivering quality. The digital world is full of opportunities. It's time to start building your online empire.